and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We are back with TAI VERDES, and this time She Loved Me. So a great summary song here from TAI VERDES. And yeah, let's start right away. We have the capo here on the first fret, only 4 chords that goes in same order through the entire song. I'm gonna give you this little medley and how you can play with and build it into this strumming pattern. So that's what it's all about. Yeah, the 4 chords will be start with G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord will be B minor, so that's a bar on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. The 3rd chord will be A minor 7, so that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be kind of a D chord. Looks like a C, but up here with your ring finger on the 3rd fret A string, sorry, 5th fret A string. And then the 4th fret D string, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Yeah, so there you have the chords G, B minor, A minor 7, and D. Alright, so that is how it goes. We have this melody. I'm gonna show you this melody first. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the notes for each and every chord. So let's start to play the full melody as it is, and then I'm gonna divide it into different chord parts. So it goes like this. Okay, so it starts with G. So the melody goes here on the 3rd fret B string. And then again, 3rd fret B string. And open E. These 3 first notes belongs to the G. Then you shift to B minor and play the 3rd fret B string. And then comes open B and 2nd G. And these 3 notes belongs to the B minor. Then comes the A minor 7. That is the open G string. You play that again. And then 2nd fret G string. So the 3 notes that belongs to A minor 7 is open G, and then open G again, and 2nd G. And then we have just a final note that belongs to this D chord, and that is the open G. This one, just one time, and there you have the melody. So with one bass note from representing each and every chord, it will be like this for the melody. So that is how it goes. Now you can build in this into a strumming pattern if you wish, and it's up to you how to use that strumming. I could play something like this. So when you know where the notes are, it's up to you to try to highlight the notes and to strum meanwhile. Of course, you cannot do full down strokes like this because you will not hear the notes you want to emphasize, but short down strokes and use the strings around the main melody will work with this one. All right, so that is how you highlight the notes into the strumming. But if you want to just stay with the strumming, then we have one strumming pattern that will work for this song. And that's what I'm going to give you now. So here you need to think as a pair of chords. So G and B minor will pair up and they will together do one strumming round. And then the same strumming round you will use for A minor 7 and D. So let's look at the transition from the G to B minor, since that is the first two chords. So it will sound like this. So that is for G, down, up, clap. Okay? Down, up, clap. Okay, so pretty easy. And immediately after a clap, you shift to B minor and play down, clap. And that's it. So just down, clap. And together, it will be like this, a little bit slower. Okay? And then you just use this principle to the next two chords, which are the A minor 7, like this, and D. So A minor and D. So G is played in the same way as A minor 7, and B minor in the same way as the D. So just some small technique stuff there from the A minor 7. You can just keep that grip when you go up to D, 2 frets towards you, and you just add on the 5th fret on A string. So it's basically the same grip like this with this 5th fret on A added. So that pretty much covers TAI Verde's SHELUVME. So great song, fun to play, and pretty easy as well. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope it helped. That's my main mission. So it's to you from Gordon Guitar. Play tuned.